Hi, this is the HUAWEI P10 Lite and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the display section, click to wallpaper and tap to set wallpaper. After that you'll see here all of the default wallpapers. Also you could use here photos from your device gallery or to use more wallpapers. Just select one from them, tap on the right upper corner and select lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds. Now let's just lock the device. And as you can see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger. Then on the left hand corner, you will see the wallpaper icon. Just tap on it and by the same way, select one from the available wallpapers. Tap to the right upper corner to OK and select lock screen. I'll just want to set it on both screens. So let's just wait a couple of seconds now. Now let's just lock the device. And as you could see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.